You hear about artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and deep learning all the time. But what do they mean and how do they fit together? Think of them like a set of Russian nesting dolls. AI is the big doll. It's the broad goal of creating machines that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. Machine learning is the medium doll inside. It's a specific way to achieve AI by letting computers learn from data without being explicitly programmed for every single rule. Deep learning is the small doll inside that one. It's a powerful technique for machine learning that uses complex neural networks to find intricate patterns, loosely inspired by the human brain. Recently, a new area has exploded in popularity: generative AI. This is the technology behind chatbots and deepfakes. Let's break down what each of these terms really means. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI. The big idea. What it is. The overall field of creating smart computer systems. The goal is for a machine to match or even exceed human intelligence in tasks like learning, reasoning, and problem-solving. A simple analogy: AI is the entire concept of self-driving transportation. It's the big-picture goal. 2. Machine learning, ML, the smart apprentice. What it is: instead of giving a computer a strict rulebook, you show it tons of data and let it figure out the patterns on its own. It learns from examples. What it's good at: prediction. After seeing thousands of cat photos, it can identify a new picture as a cat. Spotting anomalies. It can notice when something doesn't fit the pattern, like a strange transaction on your credit card that could be fraud. A simple analogy: machine learning is like teaching a car to drive by showing it millions of hours of road footage instead of programming it with a map of every street. It learns the rules of the road from experience. 3. Deep learning, the powerful pattern finder. What it is: a more advanced type of machine learning that uses complex neural networks. These networks have many layers. That's why it's deep, which allows them to learn incredibly subtle patterns from huge amounts of data. Sometimes even the engineers who build them can't fully explain why a deep learning model makes a specific decision. It's like a black box that finds answers based on the complex patterns it discovered. Generative AI, the creative newcomer. This is the technology that has taken the world by storm. It's a type of AI that creates new content. What it is built on: foundation models, like the brains behind the operation. Generative AI doesn't just analyze data. It generates new text, images, music, and more. Key examples: large language models, LLMs, these power chatbots. Think of them as a superpowered autocomplete. They don't just predict the next word, they can predict the next sentence, paragraph, or even write a whole essay based on your prompt. Deep fakes. This technology can replicate a person's voice or face to create realistic-looking but fake videos or audio clips. This can be used for entertainment, like in a movie, or for harmful misinformation. Is it really creative? Some argue that generative AI just recycles existing information. But consider music. Every note already exists. A composer creates a new song by arranging those notes in a novel way. Generative AI does something similar. It recombines what it has learned to create something new and unique. The bottom line? AI is no longer a far-off future technology. It's here now. Understanding these basic concepts helps you see how everything fits together, from the smart recommendations on your streaming service, machine learning, to the chatbot you might use for customer support. Generative AI, this technology is rapidly being adopted everywhere, and knowing the basics is the first step to using it effectively.